Okay, so if you want to link your FL Studio to your Cubase, first thing you have to do is to go to options, then audio settings, then you change the device to FL Studio ISO. Okay, then now you close FL Studio. Now you have to open Cubase. Okay, after opening Cubase, you go to create, then from there you go to devices, then go to VST instrument. From this dialog box, you go here, then you select FL Studio VSTi. Okay, then you hit on the create. Okay, this dialog box here tells you that when you click on this icon, it will link you straight to FL Studio. So when I click here, okay, now I'm in FL Studio now. So let's try and make a simple drum patterns and see something. So this is just a simple beat that we just made. So let's go to Cubase. If you hit the play button, we have to hear what is going on inside FL Studio. Okay, so yeah, so it's very simple. We can record a vocal on it. Okay, we can record vocals on it. Okay, yeah, very simple. So this is how to link your FL Studio to your Cubase. If you found this video to be helpful, just give it a like, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the description down below. It's God's Eye on the beat. See you in the next video. Stay blessed. Still have the solution career.